cafeteria right now. The food smells amazing today. I want some hot rice. Yes, please. We must wait in line. Do not push anyone, please. Look at all this delicious food. I will take soup. I am getting some vegetables. Vegetables are good for you. Here is a table for us. Let us sit down. Thank you, Ethan. I really love eating lunch with you.
Eat your food slowly, everyone. Have a very good meal.
The soup is very tasty. Are you enjoying your lunch?
It's delicious.
Thanks. I think I want a sweet yogurt for my dessert. That sounds like a great idea. Get one for me. I am taking this yogurt from the tray right here. The box looks perfectly fine. Enjoy your yummy sweet dessert. Thank you. I am opening my yogurt box right now. Does it taste good? I am still eating my vegetables. It tastes a little bit sour, but it is okay. Maybe it is a new flavor. Finish your food quickly. I ate all of it. Now my tummy is full.
Good job, kids. Now let us prepare for the classroom.
We are walking back to our classroom now. Let us go. Wait a minute, Ethan. I do not feel very well. What is wrong, Emma? Your face looks very pale today. Oh no! Please sit down on this chair right here. Let me help you, Emma. I will call the teacher. Do not cry, Emma. I am right here with you. Let me help you, Emma. I will call the teacher. Do not cry, Emma. I am right here with you.
What happened here? Why is Emma sitting on the chair? We need to go to the nurse right away, Emma.
It hurts so much, teacher. I can hardly stand up.
Do not worry, Emma. I will hold your hand now.
Thank you, Mrs. Davis. I am coming with you. I want to help Emma. I will open the door for you. Please go quickly.
Thank you, Lily. You are a very kind friend today.
We are walking so fast. My tummy is still hurting. Just a few more steps. We are almost there now.
Here is the nurse room. Let us go inside quickly.
Nurse, please help my sister. 'sister. 'She is very sick today.
Hello there. Please lie down on this soft bed, Emma.
Thank you, nurse. My stomach is hurting me a lot.
Let me check your temperature first. You have no fever. She was perfectly fine before eating her lunch just now. What exactly did you eat for your lunch today, Emma? I had a bowl of chicken noodle soup and an apple.
I ate rice, vegetables, soup, and a box of yogurt.
Did the yogurt taste strange when you were eating it?
It tasted a little sour, but I ate it all. I think the yogurt was spoiled. Drink this warm water. Thank you. Does that feel better? I will stay right here with you. Do not worry.
What is the problem here? Is the little girl okay?
Emma ate a spoiled yogurt from our school cafeteria today.
We must check all the remaining food right away, everyone.
I am looking at the yogurt boxes right now, sir.
Please take all of them away. They are not safe. I will put them in the trash bin right now.
Check the expiration dates on every single box of milk.
We have removed all the bad items from the tray.
We must make sure all the students are completely safe.
Thank you for your quick action. That is very good. How are you feeling now, Emma? Is the pain gone? I'm much better, thank you, Jennifer.
I feel a little better. Thank you for the medicine. Look, her face is becoming pink and happy again, teacher.
That is wonderful news. You are a very brave girl.
Can I sit up now? I want to drink water.
Of course you can. Here is your cup of water.
I was so scared, but now I am very happy. Thank you for staying with me, Ethan. You are sweet.
I will, Kane. I will call your mom and dad on the phone.
Hello, please come to the school. Emma needs you now.
We are here. Where is our little girl right now?
She is resting in the bed. She is much better.
Thank you so much for taking good care of her.
Mom! Dad! I am so happy to see you both.
Oh, my sweet darling. Let me give you a hug.
How is your stomach now? Does it still hurt much?
A little. I feel much better now. I want to go home.
Make sure she eats soft food and drinks warm water. We will follow your instructions. Thank you for your help.
I have my backpack ready. Let us go home together.
We are finally home. Please lie down on the sofa.
This sofa is so soft and comfortable. I love it.
I am cooking some hot soup for you right now.
Let me put this warm pillow behind your back, Emma.
Oh, thank you, Dad. It's so cozy.
Does that feel better?
Yes, much better. It's just right. Do you want me to read this funny storybook? Yes, please. I love hearing your funny stories so much.
Here is your hot soup. Eat it very slowly, dear.
This soup is delicious. You are the best cook, Mom.
Are you feeling completely well now, my sweet little princess?
Yes, Dad. I am completely fine and very happy now. Morning. We are going to school. I am so excited to see all my friends again.
Welcome back, Emma. We are very glad to see you.
I missed you so much yesterday. Are you okay now? I am perfectly fine, Lily. Thank you for asking me.
Class, listen to me. We must always check our food.
If it smells strange, we should not eat it anymore.
Yes, and always wash your hands before you eat lunch.
I will always remember to be careful with my food.
Good job, everyone. Now let us begin our English lesson.